Just keeping it simple and natural. This first 10 minutes of the day on waking up. Avoiding screens and devices where possible. Not even getting a coffee or tea. Just waking up and immediately, for 10 minutes, just a sense of being, just a sense of presence, just taking this opportunity to just notice serenity, just notice peace. There is no sense in waking up and immediately logging into the world. We've had enough of the noise, external and internal. We've had enough of the chaos, enough of the strong emotions, enough of the narratives and stories. This 10 minutes at the start of the day is a profound opportunity to have some courage, some self-respect, some dignity, a sense of valuing your own peace. A sense of valuing your stillness. So where possible, setting that timer, and simply allow yourself to just be. There is no next moment. You are not about to do something. Do not even try to find peace or become peaceful. That is an action and an activity in itself. This is a profound letting go. Do not even try to be at peace. Do not even try to meditate. Instead, just notice the present moment. Just this. The mind will come in and say, this is boring. But that's okay. Boredom is fine. Boredom is better than chaos and turmoil. Boredom is better than anxiety and stress. So if it's boring, then so be it. Boring is fine. The mind will say, you don't have time for this. Or this time would be better spent doing something else. But we spend all day, every day, doing something else. It never seems to get us anywhere. This is just 10 minutes. You could just set your alarm 10 minutes earlier in the morning. Gain that 10 minutes. You won't miss 10 minutes of sleep. This 10 minutes of pure conscious awareness. So just be now, just be here, and recognize all of the objections of the mind with a sense of curiosity. We can be amused and impartial as we witness the attempts of the mind to pull attention away from the here and now. Just notice the tactics that it will try. This is powerful. To learn to observe your own mind in this way. It can be remarkably amusing. Just taking a minute here to just open awareness, remain fully impartial, do not get involved in any of the thoughts, any of the concepts in the mind. Each thought is just a hook. If you bite, it will drag you away from peace. So do not bite a single thought. Instead, just notice with a detached curiosity. And from this wise, stable, peaceful and grounded space, just observe each and every tactic of the mind. Very good. So noticing that although the mind has an infinite number of thoughts, images, narratives, concepts, beliefs that it will cycle through, you always have the power to withdraw your attention away from the content of the mind and draw that attention instead just to the present, just what is. And begin to recognize there is a distinction. If you are able to observe your mind, you are able to observe your thoughts in this way. It stands to reason that you are not solely your thoughts. You are not at the mercy of your mind. Instead, you have power, you have courage, you have this stable ground of peace. From which you can observe all content of the mind coming and going. Thank you for doing this meditation with me today. Let me know in the comments if anything particularly interesting or amusing that the mind attempted to use to pull your attention away from the present, or perhaps it was quite aggressive or stern or emotional in its agenda to draw your attention towards it. It's going to be different for everyone, depending on circumstance and situation, but how curious it is. There are so many similarities also. I don't have time for this is boring, you might miss something. Sure. Hope this video finds you well today. May your meditation be for the benefit of all sentient beings. Take care. Be well. Stay present.